So I am going to let you in on a little secret. So if you are an entrepreneur and you want to actually start a business, the first thing that you need to do is look out for problems that you can solve. Yes, so there are certain problems that people face all around you. Look out for those problems. What are people talking about? What is something like, what is their pain point? Try and hang out in groups such as Reddit threads and Reddit subthreads and see what people are talking about. Go on Amazon, look out for the reviews. What are people hassled by? What is it that they want solutions for? Look at those problems and try and see if there is something that your product, your service, or whatever you're offering, if it's a software or anything that you are building, can solve for them. So be a problem solver. So if you are an entrepreneur, your first responsibility and the first thing that you need to do is find problems and solve them. Solve them for people and build products that actually help people and people need. Let's say you're building a software for a solopreneur and the solopreneur has certain problems in their business where they need to have like a software which runs all the functions together, all departments, without like single-handedly, without hiring anyone. So if your product, if your SaaS product builds that, like it solves their problem, you are actually going to make a lot of money. So find out what problems people are facing and solve for those problems. So this is the number one secret hack that any entrepreneur needs to know even before you are building the product. Because let's say you build a product and then you find out later on that people do not need that product. So that just makes no sense and the business idea or opportunity falls flat. So the first thing that you need to do is find out what people are grappling with, solve problems for them, and that's how you come up with a great product.